Good evening, friends. Let us revisit my strategy, that is, for selecting the stocks for swing as well as intraday stocks. What I told you people is first to Google out and get the screener. Let me go to the screener. This is not this one. We'll go to uh, Google it out. Stocks above 20 days. So if we Google it out, we are getting stocks trading above 20. We will get a charting screener here. Not this one. 1 minute. I have bookmarked that. Let me go to the charting scanner. 20-day breakout stocks. So immediately you will get in the cash segment. Either you can trade in the cash segment. Cash segment will give you a lot of money. So these are the two stocks I am going to select. They came in the radar in the morning itself. Even you can go for the three stocks also. The first Vibhor Steel tubes, when it comes, it is coded for daily. If at a glance itself you can make out, you can see from 2024, from 20th, the market, the price 3 to 5 days, it has gone up. 3 to 5, 6 days, it has come down. And totally 11 days and previously 20 days. So it is a 20-day breakout stock. Immediately, if you place the cursor on this, here you can see, you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So when you get this stock, automatically the screener is picking up and you will get a glance over it whether to trade or not. So immediately when I get it around 9:20, since mine is a free one, just I'm going to a free this thing. I don't have any premium version of charting. If you have premium version of charting, you will get the stocks immediately after 5 to 10 minutes. Within 15 minutes, you will get it. So immediately what I did is I put this to my template. Template, I've told you, in this indicator, it has been constructed. I've included Bollinger Band, inside bar, and day high and day low. All these things are there in this. So automatically, if I apply the Bollinger Band, I get the 20 period moving average. And if the price goes above the Bollinger Band, here you can see the 5-minute candle breaking above the Bollinger Band, breaking out of the upper Bollinger Band. Then you wait for the retracement. That is an easy method. And apart from that, you can add moving average ribbon also. 20 and 200 period moving average. Or you can simply add 200 period moving average when there is a 20 period moving average. At a glance, here you can see my indicator. These are the day high, day low indicator. If you see from here, if I draw this, clearly it is showing it has made an higher high. And the price is opening above this. So it is perfect. And low is marked in the green. Perfect. So I will wait for how I'll do, I'll mark this line and I'll see for the retracement. It is perfectly retraced to this level and a dozy is formed and a reversal. So entry confirmed around 159 to 160. So once you enter into the market, so you need to have the targets also. Sometimes what the market will give, no, 1 is to 2 or 1 is to 3. For that, what I do is, it has built a structure from here to here. Then I take my tool, this circle unique tool. I have tweaked it to, why it is not coming? Alright, what happened to this? Let it reload. Something has happened. Maybe internet connection or something. Let it reload. Okay. Yes, it has reloaded. Okay. Here I am taking my tool. 1 minute. And this is circle, this one. So it is giving 1 is to 3 cycles. So target will be 164. But the market, this stock, usually cash stocks, they will, after so many days of consolidation, 20 days of consolidation, there will be huge move. This stock, when it gives, I move my stop loss and trail my stop loss and hold the position. See, this stock has given nearly, I'm showing it as an example for you people. The condition is it has to fit into my template in a proper way. It is fitting actually. 5-minute candle coming out of the Bollinger Band and retracing, and I'm marking this level. This acts as a guideline for me, and a dozy is formed, re-entry confirmed. So next, suppose you have entered here and you need not worry because it has made an higher high. Then what you need to do, even this indicator high has been marked. That is pre-market high. That is coded for in my another hourly indicator, TTM squeeze indicator. Here automatically you can get from this. This is pre-market high. Then you can trail your stop loss little bit below it and you can hold. After the consolidation, you can see this stock has given you how much percentage. Can you believe? You have entered here, from here you got almost 18 percentage you have got. Let us check another stock, Hindustan Foods. I'll apply whether it is fitting into the template. That is the main thing. Hindustan Foods. Okay. Yes, it is also perfectly fitting into my this thing. By the time you get in the screener, you may get around here 920 or something. So your boundary is here. So that is previous day high. And it has made a previous day pre-market high. Why pre-market high? This is plotting over here. Then your line is here. Price has broken above the pre-market high and also previous. So you can coolly enter into this stock. Okay. Then see the move. It has given you around 7 percentage. Targets you cannot make out. You need to hold your position as long as it moves above the 20 period moving average. Later, during the day, it has consolidated over here. So apart from that, I got, if I go to the, if I change it to futures, I got one stock perfectly fitting into the, I'll run the scan. I didn't select Godrej Consumer Products because it had gapped up. Once it gaps up, so it has gapped up above this level, so it becomes tricky actually to trade. That's why I avoid, because you cannot define your stop losses. Stop loss will be very below. You see over here. So I look for this and I omit this stock. Next, Dabur, if I placed on this, it was perfect actually. Perfect, actually opening in the vicinity of the previous day level zone and moving higher. So Dabur, let us check Dabur. Dabur, I got it around 9:20 or something. Here, second candle was forming a dozy inside bar. Inside bar, it is perfect. The first candle above the previous day high, you can see my indicator is showing. Let me remove drawings. Above the fire. So it is perfect. It is the pre-market high. Even the dent itself, so you can mark it. Suppose even if you cannot enter into this, if you are late, you can enter here into the retracement. From there, it has moved higher. From 507, it went up to 570. Okay. Here you could have entered here. Then immediately the corresponding call option was, you can, since it is a future, call option, you can go to Dabur India call option. You can see for a 500 call option. Same 500 call option, same type of mimicking the underlying price action. So it is perfect. Perfect. And this is the boundary for you to enter or to keep the stop loss. 815, but it had made 750 as the entry. You got around 960, the low of it. You cannot catch exactly 10. I got it around 10.5 or something. Then it moved up to 18 rupees. Then I closed. I didn't hold. Actually, it moved up to 20 rupees also. Let us check how much it has gone hourly. The target was 20, I think. Yeah, I remember it. This is 20.1. I closed around here 18. That is enough actually. See, from 1250 per lot, if you would have entered properly, 10.5, I entered around 10.5. I'll show you. 10.5 minus 18. We are getting 7.5 into 1250. 9,375. That is enough. You need not trade too many things. One stock is enough. Index was not trading properly. It was in the range. Lot of choppiness was there. When you see that type of move, you can, alternative is you can trade in stocks. Stocks will give you. See, even if you would have gone for the equity stocks, what more you want? 18 percentage. So in the option, it is giving you from 10.5. Okay. How much percentage you are getting? For the money you have put in. Okay. Let me take it from here to here. You are getting 73 percentage. 73% of gain. That is for the money what you have put. For 10 rupees, 10.5 you are entering into it. Not much money. It is affordable. Right? This is how you have to see preliminarily all the stocks will not fit properly into the template. You have to select the stocks which are fitting properly into the template. See, this is the template. High and low. High and low. You can see high and low. They are, this is the flip zone. You can comfortably, you need not worry even if you do mistake. You need not be precise to enter into it. I am showing it in the option. You can do that. But all that counts is your mindset to hold the position. When the mindset will develop properly, if you stick on to the same thing day by day, you have to repeat the same thing on, and you have to get acclimatized to the structure and the template. If you get the proper fitting into the template, don't look back. See, I have shown you, you can do that. Even if you are wrong also, you will get some money in this. Even if you are not very precise, you will get it. Suppose if you would have entered, for example, 12 rupees, around 12 rupees you would have entered. Minimum you have got 5 rupees. For 12 rupees, you have got 5 rupees for this leg. That is more than enough. Yeah. So I'm reviewing how you can trade. Simultaneously, these stocks will come into my angle 45 screener also because it has been coded for 5 minutes. Let me go and open this charting scanner angle 45. I've given it to most of the people who have asked me. Angle 45, let me go there. This is the one. This is 5-minute momentum. We have the screener has been made, and you will get the stocks. See, you are getting Dabur here. When it is 5 minutes, you can see that immediately you can go directly you can see the chart, both the things. This 20 period moving 20-day breakout stock as well as it is coming in the 5 minute. So it is a momentum. So when you place the cursor, you can see the chart over here in the charting. You can decide on yourself. Yeah, I can go for this. You can decide here. 5 minutes you are getting it. So the screener is picking the 20-day breakout and the angle 45 is also picking. They both are similar. And if you put into the template and it is matching, you can go ahead. You can take the trade. This is for option. And other one what I showed is you can trade in stocks, equity. Equity also will give lot of money. 2 stocks. They are very unknown to us. We will not be knowing anything. Vibhor Steels and all. You can't trade with them because the screener is picking up as a 20-day breakout stock. It is picking up, right? So friends, this is a review of my strategy which I gave, swing strategy, swing to intraday. I hope this will help you to take the trade properly. Thank you very much. Nalnakshi Swami signing off.